Okay, step 2. So the only thing that has happened between the ending of the last video and the starting of this one is that I logged out of this account, logged into my teacher account, and accepted Katrina Bond as a student for my algebra course. Then I logged out of my teacher account and logged back into my student account. And now you'll notice that because the teacher account okayed me here, I have an additional section on the left side of my screen that says Algebra Assignments. Now, right now this is on Courses. That's the page that you're looking at is on the Courses page. And you could click over here and you could click Start and you could do assignments and watch videos from now until the Lord returns, which may it be today. But you're not getting credit for it. At this point, that's just you learning about algebra, which is great. But in order to get the assignments that I am most interested in, the ones that I'll be giving you grades for, you have to come over here to Assignments and click. And I don't think it's going to let me click. It would close it down. So I'm actually going to drag my Screen-O-Matic screen off of the screen, click Assignments right here, and then I'll make it large again. So bear with me, please, as I scooch this to the side, click Assignments, and then now come back to what you would see if you clicked Assignments. At this point, now you see where we have my assignments that are active, all upcoming, due April 6th. In order to start it, you'd come over here and click Start, and I'm going to go ahead and do it. It might mess up the video, but we'll just go ahead and try. Let's see. Oh, it worked. It's muted, so we shouldn't have to hear them. But here, you'll notice up here when you move your mouse that it does give you energy points. As you continue to watch this video, if you actually watch the video, it will give you energy points, and you'll use those later if you want to join different discussion boards, or you can turn them in for different points here on Khan Academy, prizes and such. But this is what I would do. I would watch the video. If I were a student, I would be trying to learn from what he's saying. And then eventually I'll come over here, and I think that let me see if I can move this box. Yep. You'd click here for the next assignment once you've watched it. Now, if you just click next assignment now, it will show me as a teacher that you didn't view the whole video. And it will show me that you started it, but then you clicked away from it. So when it gives you the learning minutes, it only gives you the learning minutes if you're actually watching it. And actually, I think that you have to have the volume on too. That's what I'm surmising from what I was trying to do as a student and teacher earlier. So I hope that's helpful to you, because that seemed to be the biggest question that I got yesterday. The question was, how do I get my assignments? Well, you can't if you signed up afternoon when I refreshed it, unless I went back and you told me that you signed up and then I refreshed it for you. But the assignments will be up there in that left-hand corner of your screen, and then you literally just watch the video. Now, the neat thing is, like I showed you in some of the previous videos, not all of them are videos. In fact, if you look right here, you'll see that this is a video, but this right here is actually going to be an assignment. And then a video, an assignment. And by assignment, it just means you're going to be trying to click and choose the right answer or different things like that. Matter of fact, I'll show you real quickly. So ready to practice, it tells you there's going to be 7 questions and they want you to accomplish it in 7 to 11 minutes. And then you just click there and take the quiz. All right, I hope that's helpful. I'll continue to make more videos if you let me know what you're having difficulty with. And regardless, I'll put another video on soon.